Imagine a guy named Marcus who runs a solo automation consulting company. He has a couple of clients and he has all of his automation structured in a document. Yet he spends half an hour to an hour every day answering basic questions that can be answered using this FAQ. I keep on having the same conversation with automation consultants almost every week. Hi guys, my name is Akshay, and in this video I'm going to show how you can create an agent by using knowledge bases and Slack integrations. But because Marcus is non-technical, he describes his problem and Seer helps him build a workflow that aims to save some time for Marcus so that he can focus on stuff that matters. So let's dive into the demo without further ado. I have already prepared a prompt, but let's walk through it. Say this is what Marcus wants. I want a bot that watches over my Slack channel. Whenever someone replies, it tries to search inside a knowledge base. If there's enough information and if the AI is confident, go ahead and reply. If the AI is not confident, then just DM me and I'll figure out. Cool. Let's build a workflow for this. Note that it might take a couple of minutes for the workflow to be ready. And during this process, Seer will ask you some questions to help set up the workflow on your data. Okay, it's asking me what Slack workspace. I'm gonna use Seer's own workspace for the sake of the demo. I'm gonna restrict it to our support channel. I already have prepared a knowledge base for the same document that I showed just a few minutes ago, and in case it cannot answer, I want it to just DM me. Like previously, let's give it a minute and the workflow should be ready soon. I see that there's a proposal. Let's check each step one by one. It's reading a trigger on Slack, it's searching in a knowledge base, and then it's answering questions based on that. Let's straight ahead jump into testing this. In order to test this workflow, let me first publish this. Note that instead of testing it live, you can also relay events from past. It gives you a method of backtesting. But let me switch gears to our Slack channel and my support channel. And let's try with a simple question. Maybe I'll ask, what is your cancellation policy? As usual, let's give the agent a minute and it should have a reply. As you can see, I think it has replied and it says that there are month-to-month plans and there are annual contract plans and they have different cancellation policies. Let's quickly cross-check. If I am not wrong, the FAQ contains something like this. Yeah, there you go. I think it's right. The response is right. Now let's try to ask it a different question that probably it doesn't know. Can you show emergent properties? I'm quite sure the answer is no. Nice. I see that I have got a DM from the bot directly, and let's read what it says. Question I couldn't answer confidently. Someone asked in support, hey, how can you show emergent properties? I searched the knowledge base, but I didn't find anything relevant. Bingo. I think the agent did the right thing. Although Marcus isn't real, but I've had this exact same conversation with 10 plus different consultants in the last month alone. If this sounds like you, links below or just DM me.